Addy Pepper Engineers in Training. As you can see, I am working on putting the light set in this Klingon Warbird. Now, there is what it looks like so far. Okay, now the thing is, this lights have to go down inside here just like this. These wires have to go down inside there like that. Okay, because you have to be able to cover this over and not sand down through the wires at all, because what it will do is it will destroy your light set. Okay, come on, get in there. Okay, now that seems to be wanting to stay there, but doesn't want to stay there. Okay, so to fix that, what we're going to do, there it is, found it, coach. All right, gotta have this stuff. Alrighty, so now that is white. So I need a strip of this, and don't need much, just a little bit here, and you have to glue this on. Now what I'm going to do is what I'm doing with this situation is I am sticking that down so that the wires will be safe. Now with that glue on there, I just forced it down in. What that does is that will dry, and that will make sure that the that the wires will not get sanded. Uh-oh, can't do that. Got to keep that just like that. Okay, need this bent here, bent there. Okay, and that one bent just like that. Now, I noticed something right off the bat. This is pushing down in here too far, and so I don't want that to happen. So I need a little bit of this. Okay. Now we want to add some of this here Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue is your friend with paper. Oh, come on. Get in there. Daggone it. Why is that being... That other one was so nice. It went in there so good. And then this one is just not. Daggone it. So anyway, that's caving in. That's why it wouldn't go in there. Dental tools come in darn handy. Okay, so what I've got going on right now is that is pushing down in there. I did not want that to happen. Okay, so, and you can't mess with these wires too much. What happens to them is that they will short out. And so, anyway, that's what I'm doing. That's what I have to do. Those are the bridge lights. That's the torpedoes. Anyway, okay, you guys, thank you for watching. I will continue this later.